Day 5 underway, 10 miles a day for 30 days. When I got out of bed, I sneezed and I damn near threw out my back. Now on the left side of my lower back, there's like a knot that's like this. Oh, the joys of stupid shit that happens. You can't explain why. You can run 10 miles a day, but God forbid I just need to sneeze first thing in the morning. Well, low pace, nice and easy. My back feels like it's warmed up. Blood is flowing through there and it's not so tight, so woo! Day 5, done and done. 10 miles a day for 30 days. Back feels a little bit more loosened up. Gonna go sit in the sauna later today. Try to get this thing loosened up a little bit more. Have a great day, everybody.